So this is Lattafa's New York, the City of Dreams. And why I got it is because of the notes, what I was expecting to get from it. It's cherry, nutmeg, black pepper at the top, mimosa, cognac, and rose in the heart, oak moss, patchouli, and cedar at the base. Now again, I typically wouldn't buy a new release at full price, but I was really curious about this only because I don't have that many cherry fragrances that I've come across that I like. There's only one really that I really appreciate. On paper, this sounds like a boozy dark cherry oriental, and on skin it's a little bit more complicated. Now heads up, the opening is sharp, the black pepper comes in, and you know when you inhale a lot of black pepper and it's peppery, you're sneezing, it's sharp, borderline painful. That's the first 30 seconds of this. So give it like 30 seconds when you spray it for the black pepper to whiff away. And when it does, the perfume itself is not actually bad. The cherry shows up and it's not sickly sweet, which believe me, I really appreciate. And the rose I was worried about because again, my experience with any perfume or fragrance with rose is that rose tends to knock everything out of the way. It's typically not balanced right, and the rose just overpowers everything, especially in affordable fragrances. But this one behaves. In New York, the City of Dreams, the rose behaves. It stays in the background where it belongs. It just helps to amplify stuff, which is awesome. The dry down is the best part for this perfume for me. The oak moss and the patchouli gives it a warm, slightly dark base, and it wears well. The longevity is amazing. The projection is great. It's consistent. The thing though is I'm not entirely excited about it, and here is why. I just have a cherry fragrance I've come across that I like better. For me, Afnan's Cherry Bouquet is just, for me, that is my dream cherry perfume. This one just, it hints, it's almost there. I would say it's a solid second. It's again, I want to make sure I emphasize it's not a bad perfume. It's just personally for me, I wouldn't reach for it intentionally only because I have a cherry perfume that I just like better. So this one I might end up selling or giving it away, not certain yet. Just to somebody who will appreciate it more. I think if you don't already own a cherry oriental and you want something that's wearable, you want something that's balanced, something that's an introduction to cherry perfumes, this is going to be great. This is going to work. If you already have stronger cherry options, this probably won't replace them, or it might be a nice addition to it. I'm just in a season where I'm not trying to have 3, 4, 5 of the same fragrance profile, especially when I know me well enough to know I will not reach for it. That's why. Otherwise, if I was in the season where I was just hoarding stuff, this would stay. I wouldn't reach for it intentionally when I have one I like better. That's all. So I would give it, for me, I'd give it like a 3 out of 5. So go to my blog, Zabas Scent Steals. The full review is on the blog. The link is on the bio. And if you got this, if you have it, when you get it, if you do get it, as always, come back in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. How did you find it?